Hi friends, welcome to Chatterjee creation. She is Raima, my princess. Last year, she bought a toy from a fair. This is a sample of traditional wooden doll of Bengal. I did a sketch of the doll. Today, I will convert the same to a collage art. And side by side, I will describe the history of making procedure of that doll. So, today's video is a double profit for us. There was a time when wooden dolls were made in the district of Purulia, Bankura, Midnapur, Howrah and Bardhaman. But now it is restricted to places like Notungram, Patuli and Daihat in Bardhaman district. The craft making is a family-based activity. Main members of the family collect the wood, make the shapes of the dolls and then carve the wood as per requirement. Whereas the female members used to paint them with various colors. For coloring the dolls, the female members use white, yellow, red, black, green, etc. Men usually use gamar wood, shimul wood, ata wood, mango wood and chatim wood in their works. After coloring the dolls, they used a glue made from tamarind seed. Normally, the dollmaker's family possesses the title Bhaskar means sculptor or Sutradhar means storyteller. The dollmakers are Hindus in religion. Some of the most popular dolls made by them are pair of owlets, Gaurnitai, Krishna, Gopinath, bride dolls, etc.